And good morning, day 12 from Camp Gitbu. We had a good night, less wind, very cold this morning. Today it's supposed to, I think, be 14 degrees but sunny, so thank goodness for that. We only have 25 kilometers left. Lots of people can do that in a day. My short little legs won't take us that far, so we're going to aim for somewhere around 13 or so. And then we'll rough camp for the night. We'll check in with you along the way. Today's Miracle Miles are for our kids and grandkids. So to Samantha, Stefanie, and Jacob, we love you very much. And to our grandchildren, Sebastian, Benjamin, Charlotte, Isla, and Eva, we'll be thinking about you all day. And we're grateful that CHEO was there for you when you need it, and for those of you in Toronto now, the Sick Kids Hospital. So today's for you guys. We love you very much. Welcome to Pabineau Falls. Look at this stunning vista. Just amazing. There's our three friends over there, Mark, Chris, and Gary. They're with us at Gitbu. What a beautiful, beautiful place. And you can come right up on the rocks here. And I guess we're a couple of weeks away from salmon actually jumping up the river. Just beautiful. We also want to shout out today to our sons-in-law, Jon and Jay, who would find this place completely mesmerizing. Lads, this beats Algonquin. Absolutely. Alright, y'all. That is serious. That was a poles in one hand, rope in the other. And it was all arms all the time. That is a dead drop. Whew. I think I got my mountain climbing certification on that one. Anybody ever seen the movie Stand By Me? I'm having such a moment. I am not, however, required to run across that railway bridge. Thank goodness. But now I'm going to have an earworm, Stand By Me, Benny King, in my ear. Musical motivation. Definitely hearing traffic. We're getting closer. And that's a wrap for day 12. Trail was not particularly difficult, although there were sections with lots of roots and boulders and you really had to pay attention. Got lost a couple times after, oh yeah, the blowdowns. Thanks, Sidekick. Lots of blowdowns from the wind over the last couple of days. So lots of renegotiating some of the trail, lots of bushwhacking. Stopped by Pabineau Falls, you saw some of that footage. And then crossed a railway bridge, got totally lost, went one direction, then we went the other direction, and it turns out it was in the middle somewhere. But we got back on track, and then we just got pooped. We got tired, so we did about 12, and now we're sort of stealth camping up on a ridge above the river. We've had a few people walk by walking their dogs, but just kind of looking at us. And as soon as we say, you know, we've come from the other end, there's a chat that happens. So people want to know lots. Anyway, so last stealth camp, we will be out tomorrow. Oh my goodness, I'm dreaming of hamburgers and showers and what else are we dreaming about? Oh, beds with pillows. A toilet. We've gotten very adept at doing that, though. You have to admit. Anyway, so I'll see if I can give you a view out the window. We're in this little enclave right off the ridge. And so today's Miracle Miles, again, for our children and our grandchildren, who we absolutely adore. So Sam, Steph, Jake, respective spouses and partners, Jason, Jon Matea, and the grandchildren, Sebastian, Benjamin, Charlotte, Isla, Eva. Love you all. Can't wait to hug you even though you don't like it. So get ready. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.